And guys, it is completed. The 2024 Tacoma. We got the panels. And just look at that beautiful interior, guys. The pride of this client, he has his Tacoma in black. Beautiful wheels. I think those are factory. I'm not really sure, part of the TRD. And guys, this is what we're talking about. Beautiful truck, beautiful upgrades, dashboard fantastic, screen, everything. And this is the disappointment, it has cloth seats. And that's why it's here, because we're gonna do a fantastic transformation. You guys have to see this already in this vehicle because it's gonna look fantastic. I think that red in combination with this black truck and the black interior is gonna be phenomenal, guys. And this is brand new. It's only a few days off the dealer, so it has no stains, but we know it's gonna happen over time. Beautiful, beautiful truck. You can do this in your vehicle, guys. Remember that we carry this for virtually any car. Now we can do mostly 99.9999999 of the cars. So there you have it, guys. This is the rear, and all this cloth has to come off so we can put our new leather interior, which, guys, is upholstery board. This is not your sliding covers. This is not a cheap product. This is the same thing that you're gonna get with the dealer. Actually, this one is better because you don't have some options from the dealership. You can only order few things when it comes to leather interiors. Right here with us, you guys, you have a lot of options. For this seat can go in the 2024 or 2025, the double cab, the TRD, the hybrid, the limited, the trail hunter, the access cab, the TRD off-road, and the TRD Prey Runner. Guys, right here we are showing you a deluxe kit in leather, deluxe, with a double hex inserts. This is color red, guys. It's gonna be beautiful. We're gonna show you the before and after of this kit. And guys, you can have this at EM Upholstery Technology.com, LeatherTeck.com, in over 60 different colors and combinations, contrast stitch, piping, special edition, custom patterns, diamond, double diamonds, in this case double hex, honeycomb, and many others. And we also have exotics like ostrich, alligator, soy skin, you name it. All of them at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys. Like and subscribe so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how to do the installations for your beautiful leather seat, guys, at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology, because we are demystifying the installation process, guys. It's not that difficult. This installation is really simple compared to other ones. Don't confuse this product with cheap covers, guys. These are not your cheap sliding covers. This is real upholstery work, better than the way that it came out of the factory, guys. What are you gonna get? Well, let me show you. This is to specifications, just like Toyota intended to be in their cars. Actually, they don't even have this. They have something called soft text, which is, my clients call it the fake text for Toyota, because pretend to be leather, but it's not, guys. It's synthetic. It's horrible. And Jesus Christ, how can I say it? So don't get that crap. Get the real deal, which is this leather interior, guys. And again, it has all the features just like the factory wanted it to be. It has all the reinforcements for airbags, guys. Double map pockets. You're gonna have your double map pockets, the reinforcements for the airbags. Where are they? Right there, guys. And you have to be careful when it comes to your safety. This product is being certified It complies with all the specifications for the manufacturer. You can order also embroidery, nothing in this particular kit, guys, but you can order it. And you're gonna have carpet in the bottom, just like the dealer intended it to be. Everything is to a specification, guys. See, carpet in the back with the labels completely there. And that's what you're gonna get. Why this is the rear seat, the split 60/40. And guys, if you are concerned about comfort, we got you covered. Get your degree system, 3 levels of cooling, 3 levels of heating, all in one single switch. This is our top of the line product, guys. You can order this to pair with your fantastic leather kit. And prices are inquire please about prices. If you are in a budget, this is our top of the line. Obviously it's not the cheapest ones, but compared to the dealer, guys, you're gonna save thousands of dollars because this one is more affordable with us. Same for the heaters. If you are in a budget, at least get the heaters so you can be cozy in your vehicle in the winter. You can get warm seats, guys, so you want to do that. And guys, I have to tell you this one. If you want to save even more, please visit emupholsterytechnology.com and fill up the contact form so you can get exclusive prices and discounts only available for those in the list. Those are the people that are going to be benefit from more discounts and promotions. So please visit LeatherTeck.com. I'm sorry, it's emupholsterytechnology.com because the form is not in LeatherTeck. This form is only available at emupholsterytechnology.com. Fill it up, guys, so you are included in the list, so you are notified when we run those promotions, so you can save hundreds of dollars and thousands compared to dealer prices, guys. Subscribe and like on YouTube, guys, so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how we do the installations for your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com, guys, because we are demystifying the installation process. Get it, guys. We have it virtually for any vehicle now. We just make an announcement. It doesn't matter what kind of car you have. We can do your upholstery, guys. So I'm gonna see you in the next video once we have this installation completed, so you can appreciate not just the craftsmanship but the kit itself once it gets professionally installed. And you guys can do the same thing at home, at work, or in the office, wherever that you want to do this. We have you covered. Customer support, we have a hotline. You just call, we assist you with anything that you need, guys. LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com. Completely different from what you saw in the workbench, right? Beautiful, beautiful interior, guys. Take a look. Beautiful double stitch, double hex. We did the glove compartment over there and the door panels. Double map pockets in the rear. And there you have it, guys. Beautiful, beautiful finish. You want this transformation in your vehicle, guys? LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. You can order this custom kit, a factory design with different stitchings, piping. We have special editions. We have, like in this case, double hex, double diamonds, honeycomb, and many other designs, guys. We have exotics, ostrich, we have sweet skin, we have alligator, you name it, guys. You can have it at LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com, guys. Like and subscribe so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how we do the installations for your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com. And guys, go to emupholsterytechnology.com and fill up the contact form so you can get exclusive special prices and discounts only available for those in that list. It's like a special club, because you're gonna be putting your information right there. You're gonna be receiving the specials every time we run them, so it will save you hundreds of dollars compared to the retail prices, guys. Beautiful, beautiful interior for this Tacoma, guys. You want this transformation in your vehicle, get it. LeatherTeck.com by EMUpholsteryTechnology.com. Make an inquiry, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about this, and if you want me to do more vehicles, please put it in the comments. Like and subscribe. Thank you, guys.